Hi, this is Karen Q from PatriotToursNYC.com, and in front of me is the statue of Nathan Hale at City Hall Park. I think the story of Nathan Hale will be the first story on our brand new Revolutionary War spy tour starting later this spring, probably in April. And most of us learned about Nathan Hale in school. He was hanged as a spy by British General William Howe in 1776, and we learned that he said some really famous last words before his death, but those might not have been his last words. So you're going to have to come on the tour and find out what really happened to Nathan Hale. Along on the left of Nathan Hale is our City Hall. This is, after all, City Hall Park. And the City Hall was not here at that time. This was an army barracks, and we will be talking about the significance of that army barracks. To the left of the City Hall, let's move around here a bit, you see a white flagpole. We go up, you can see, you can't see the flag up there, but there is a flag up there. And that's a replica of the Liberty Pole. And you guys who watched Turn on American Movie Classics or Netflix might know the significance of the Liberty Pole and spy Abraham Woodhull. Beyond the cars is the foundation of the old Bridewell, the prison. We'll be talking about the Bridewell, who was held there and why. And then we'll be heading down the Broadway. Out there beyond us is Broadway. And on Broadway is the oldest landmark we'll be visiting on the tour. There it is in the distance, St. Paul's Chapel, built in 1766 and in use during those years of the British occupation when the spy ring operated. After that, we'll head down into the town beyond St. Paul's Chapel, and we'll talk about Benjamin Tallmadge and John Andre, Peggy and Benedict Arnold, the printer James Rivington, and of course Robert Townsend, Hercules Mulligan, Hames Solomon, and the elusive woman known as 355. So don't miss it. It's going to be a great tour. And to find out more, you can follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can also contact me at PatriotToursNYC.com. And if you're a newsletter subscriber, well, you might get a deal offered for tickets on this tour in your newsletter. So again, I'm Karen Q, and I hope to see you this summer on our brand new Revolutionary War Spies in New York City.